sagot? Are you ready to dance? Yes. And of course, kung sino po yung pinakamagaling mag-dance, may special prize po galing sa amin. So again, sa lahat po ng kids, dito na lang po sila sa harapan. While waiting for the other guests po. Lahat po ng kids. Kaya habol na po ba sa kids? Si Kuya, Kuya, si Ate. Ate na pa. Okay, once again, kids, are you ready to dance? Okay, so of course, bago po magsimula, palakpakan naman po natin lahat ng kids na nandito sa harapan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Game start!
Energy kids! Let's go!
I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can build. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I
Energy
need you?
kids!
Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you all night, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. All night, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the just meet me at just meet me.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin sila ate. Of course, that's your prize po. Galing po sa mga congratulations ate. And of course, good job.